One can say that we understand now how some treatments work. So, for instance, radiation is something that it's widely used in the treatment of different types of cancers. And one important thing that radiation does is that it induces breaks in DNA. So it breaks down the DNA in cancer cells. And breaking down the DNA means that we overwhelm the repair system. The repair system, there are so many DNA damages that it cannot cope. And then the cells might choose to go into programmed cell death or apoptosis. And so suddenly we understand at least one way that radiation works. There are also new drugs being developed where one tries to utilize the fact that many cancer cells have a defect repair system already to begin with. So by inhibiting repair actually in the cancer cells, you might get something that we call synthetic lethality, and that will sort of specifically kill the cancer cells. This is a very interesting concept that's been currently developed, and I think that there are a number of different pharmaceutical industries that are looking into this, and I think there are 1 or 2 drugs that are actually already available that builds on this concept.
So this is a field that's very active still.
It's very active, and if you think about DNA damage, I mean, think about all the things that we read about cigarette smoke, we read about avoiding sort of sunlight, or think about catastrophes like that in Fukushima with the nuclear, sort of with radiation. The threat is to our DNA, it's our genomes that are being threatened. And these are the machineries that are trying to fix it for us.
Actually, I thought that